Oh my goodness. Wow, what a beautiful pump shot there that was, man. I mean, it looked like all was green and blue for Ohio, and I spoke too soon because, yeah.
Thanks, Eileen. We're here at NAB 2019, and again, one of the features is eSports. And as you can see, all the different teams are competing with demonstrations.
Wasn't in the article, but it's like I should probably talk about that too. I think that's something that's it's almost like a new medium, in terms of we have a massive game. We try to do live events inside the game, and so it takes that episodic type approach that television has been using.
The commentators of the game on live TV.
Marshmallow Man, we did a live concert, and there's over 10 million people in the game playing together, experiencing this live event. It was one of those things that, it was a bit of kind of magic, if you will. I thought, wow, this is a new thing. People have these visual experiences together. They were not shared space, like something. I guess pay attention to, I don't know, maybe like U.S. concerts.
DJI gimbal.
Any other questions?
So I'm going to send it back to you in the studio. Reporting live out here at NAB, it's JT Ippolito. There's a whole little section here in regards to eSports. Come down and take a look. This group is doing live broadcasting. Let's go around. I'll turn around and I'll show you some of the other stuff. There's the different switching companies for eSports. And they have a whole little area here now that they're calling the eSport experience. If you have any questions or anything, let us know. Again, we're out here looking for all the bleeding edge products. And I think we may have found a good area to find some. We're in the Futures Park. Frame rate HDR. Let me know if there's anything you want to see. Oh, darn it. This group over here, the last 2 years, was leading with the 8K. And guess what? I thought they'd have 10K, but they don't. I don't know which card they're using, but we'll take a look at it. Okay, I guess now what they finally did was they finally launched it. So let's take a quick look and go around and we'll... I think last year they hadn't launched it, but they were bleeding edge. Now again, you have to shoot on that particular equipment. All right, let's take a look and see what 8K looks like. Hopefully they'll restart the video so we can take a long look. At least you got a peek. I kind of thought we were going to get asked not to show up. Sorry. And last year they had one that was a video game. Tycho Drawing, my favorite. They have an 8K video decoder. Object-based sound? All right, check that out.
Check it out. Get you in. Go ahead, check it out if you like. Hi, Steve. Hi, Joseph. Oh, hi. I'm right here. I'm everywhere.
How cool is that?
I don't bite. You can stand on the X. I'm friendly, I promise. So basically what we have here is a demonstration of our object-based sound system. And what that means is that the broadcaster has provided us with sound-related metadata material. And so that gives us, the listener and the viewer, the option of selecting our audio preferences. So for example, here NHK has broadcasted a professional baseball game, and they have provided these options. So the first thing we can do is select a different language of narration.
Which is it?
The second thing that we can do is mute our narration and only listen in on the stadium. We can pick which side of the stadium you want to listen in on.
Jesus.
For the visitor side. And we can also just mute the stadium, have a little peace and quiet, and just listen to the narrator as well. Yeah.
Outstanding.
You're welcome. No, I'm just kidding.
Out in the marketplace now?
No.
Welcome to the game. It's the top of the first inning in this 24th
and then we also have a second
DNA
device, so let's
and
say your
Hanshin.
Japanese friend is visiting.
The starting
and you
pitcher
want
today for the Bay
make
Stars
them
is
feel
Ino,
included.
and Itoi is third
And the
in the
second
batting
device
lineup.
will narrate
Itoi
in that
is
preferred
up at
language.
bat now, waiting for the pitch. And here it
Ready?
comes. Itoi makes contact. Heading towards
This is amazing stuff, people.
and it's gone. It's
Look at this, the multilingual.
First base
Amazing.
So of course here we have the privilege of enjoying this 22.2 surround sound,
And hopefully you can hear that.
but we also have the option of stereo, 5.1, and so forth. You also have the option of moving your sound throughout all these channels.
Stars manager Ramirez. He's
Like
asking
so.
the umpires for an instant replay.
Look at that.
Listen to that.
Today's umpires are Matsuda
There you go.
What's going on all around?
Shimojo at second and Yamaji at third. We have a possible home run on the
This
first
is game changing.
So you
Meanwhile,
can
the
go up and
weather's
down
not
as well.
looking good, so there's a chance the game might be called. Hopefully, the weather will hold up.
There are.
Yumps going
Not-
over
oh, I was
the
like, they're
replay,
not in the
but
floor.
it's still too soon to tell. We'll have to wait to see.
So
what
those
they
are our
come
main
up with.
features for the object-based
Was
sound
it a
system.
home run
We're going to
or a
continue to
foul
work
ball? That's
really
the question.
hard
And
on
these fans
building
right
and
here
creating the
seem to
tools to
think
try
it's
to
a
make
foul
this
ball.
available
That's their
for
answer.
our future
Is that a foul
experiences
or
at
a
home
home
and
run?
for television
It's hard to
broadcasting.
see from the broadcast booth here.
There was one part that
which
just
will
said all the
be
different things it would do.
foul
Is that must be the
or
next slide.
home run.
Could be.
That,
And
yeah,
taking
so that's
another
the
look
technical
from a
part
different
of how it
angle,
would
we have
work.
seen the ball
It just said you can do this,
inside
this,
the
this,
pole
this,
or
this.
outside.
Yeah, so this is a demonstration
Which is
of
it?
how the user
Yep.
would
Waiting for
use
the
the
umpires.
tools at
Here they
home.
are now.
Outstanding.
And this is what explains
It's a
how
foul.
you broadcast
Overturn
it.
the call. Bad luck
break
for
it up.
Hanshin fans, but there's nothing they can do about it.
I'll just give you, this is surround sound on all these different speakers.
And
You
we're
know,
back to
we
an
have
0-1
some
count
a
for
pamphlet there
Itoi.
that has some of this extra technical stuff on there.
hopefully we'll get to the one that's said all the different things you can do.
Hello, fans. Welcome to
Yes,
the
we're gonna
game.
be
It's
different
top first
channels.
inning in this
Yeah,
24th game between
exactly.
DNA and Haishin. The starting pitcher today for Bay Stars is Eno.
Once again.
And Itoy is third in the batting lineup.
That's
Koreans
the
are doing
object-based
it all.
sound system. So it would
Itoy
be
is
There you
like
go.
now waiting for the pitch.
they
And here it
right.
comes.
Yeah. So the broadcaster provides us with the magnetic material. Yeah.
Gone. It's in the
So they
stand.
give us
First base umpire Yamada
yeah.
signals it's a home run.
This
the
is
selection.
being at a game.
And then
16th solo homer
on
this
NHK's
season.
like developmental part, they're putting that together. Yeah. I like your shirt, by the way.
It's not a home run.
Okay, I'm going to send it back to you in the studio, but this is outstanding stuff.
Yes.
Bleeding edge, and it's going to change the way that you listen and experience a game. As I'm experiencing it now, I am at the field, no matter where I am in the booth. I listen to whatever we want. I'm going to send it back to you in the studio. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network.